In an earlier video, I made a demonstration on the peeing of the oil gun after shutdown, where there's oil that kind of squirts out of the nozzle after the shutdown of the burner. And it's going to be an inefficient burn at that point because it's sort of just squirting out raw oil, and it's going to be a smoky fire. Well, I thought I would go ahead and make another demonstration at what actually happens in the vent and over the combustion chamber when that burner shuts down and that nozzle is squirting out that oil. Now, if we look at what I've got going here, you can see the burner is operating, and we're going to shut it down, and then you can see what happens after that. And you've got a pretty inefficient burn there because you're dumping smoke out the stack. Now that's going to cause soot buildup in the heat exchanger, and of course in the smoke pipe, and possibly in the chimney too. So this is a bit of a problem. And I thought we should also look at what's actually happening inside the combustion chamber upon that shutdown. And it's pretty obvious what's going on there, because the oil is still squirting into this combustion chamber and there's no air moving with it, and of course it's not spraying like it should. This makes a ridiculously inefficient burn, because you can see the smoke just pouring out of this thing. Well, what should we do about this? Well, I'm going to do it in a further video. I'm going to install a solenoid on the line coming into the gun, and we'll see if a solenoid makes a difference. Now, it may help, it may not help, but we'll see when I get around to that video whether it makes sense for you to actually install one of these. Demonstration, and hope it helps. That's it on this one.